In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save time reconciling in Xero with cache coding. Making the most of this feature can significantly streamline your accounting tasks. So let's jump right in and breeze through the process together. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Xero accounting software. This is the main platform we're working with, so head over to the Xero login page using your web browser. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button prominently positioned on the page. Go ahead and click it. This will lead you to the sign-in screen where you'll need to enter your credentials. Ensure you type in your email and password correctly to access your account without issues. After filling in the necessary information, click the login button to proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub for quickly accessing various features within Xero. From this screen, you'll want to navigate to the Reconcile Items tab. Clicking this will open up a new menu where all your bank transactions are listed awaiting your review. Here you'll notice an option labelled Cache Coding. Select this to begin organising your data effectively. Cache coding is a powerful tool for managing your transactions quickly. To maximise its utility, start by sorting your transactions. You can do this by description, which is helpful if you're looking for all items related to the same expenditure type. Alternatively, sorting by payee is an option if you want to group all transactions made to or received from a single party. Both methods can help you spot patterns and simplify reconciliation. With your transactions organised, it's time to put them to work. Tick off all the transactions that are the same. Grouping them helps when you want to amend their details in one go. After selecting the relevant transactions, you'll need to choose an account code from the drop-down list. This code helps categorize the entries correctly in your financial records. When you're happy with the selections and coding, click on the Save and Reconcile selected button to apply the changes. Once you've completed this step, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Simply click OK to finalize the reconciliation process. And there you have it, you've successfully used cache coding to streamline your Xero account reconciliation. By using these straightforward steps, you can save not only time, but also ensure greater accuracy in your financial management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to subscribe for more useful tips on navigating your accounting tasks. See you in the next video.